In today's video, I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Cash App is a banking and investing application where you can send and receive money using a Cash App card, buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks, and more. But before we start, make sure you already have a Cash App account and a linked bank account or debit card. Now open Cash App on your device. Go to the home screen, then go to the Bitcoin section. Here, you can see the current Bitcoin price and other information. Cash App lets you buy Bitcoin with as little as $1, so you can start with a small amount. To buy Bitcoin, all you have to do is tap Buy Bitcoin, then enter the amount you want to purchase. You can choose any amount, whether it's $1, $10, or more. Once you have selected the amount or typed in the amount you would like to purchase, tap Next. Now, Cash App will show you your order details, including the Bitcoin amount, the exchange rate, and any fees involved. Keep in mind that Bitcoin purchases include fees, so the amount of Bitcoin you receive may be slightly different from the amount you pay. If everything looks correct, confirm the purchase using Face ID, your passcode, or another security method. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App balance. And that's how easy it is to buy Bitcoin on Cash App with as little as $1. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.